want to have some food today. Welcome to Let's Cook It, everyone, and today I'm gonna show you one of the most popular breakfasts in the Middle East, and it's called ful Mudammas. Ful Mudammas actually is an Egyptian word. Ful, it means fava beans. Mudammas, it means the way they cook the fava beans from dry beans to be ready to be used. Takes about 12 to 14 hours in a low heat, and that's what they call it, Mudammas. And what I like the most about this breakfast is pretty much economical breakfast. So very reasonable price to make it, and it feeds a lot of people with full of nutrition. So let's start here with the onion, and I'm using here white onion. So small dice will be okay. Olive oil. This recipe takes a lot of olive oil. Onion in. Now make sure your stove on the medium low, because we're going to sweat the onion. We don't want it to caramelize or anything, so we just want to sweat them. To sweat the onion usually takes between 10 to 12 minutes on the medium low or low heat, until the onion translucent, and that way the onion doesn't have the bite in it anymore. We're gonna mince the garlic, a little bit salt, so mincing the garlic just pretty much, that's perfect. And now I'm gonna add a fresh squeezed lemon. And this recipe, pretty much in the Middle East, each country they make it different. Everybody make it with the twist. So today I'm showing you how I make it myself. Perfect. Give it a little mix. Put it on a side and have it ready. Now I'm gonna slice some tomatoes. Did I say I'm gonna slice the tomato? Actually, yes, I'm gonna slice them and then dice them. And now the onion almost ready. Nice, you can see that. Look at the onion, nicely done. And now I'm gonna add the tomatoes. Bring the heat up to medium, and we're gonna cook the tomato with the onion for 1 minute before we add the fava beans or the food. Now a lot of people, they drain the ful from the can and they rinse it, but I don't. I want to use this goodness was soaked in it. So I'm gonna keep the juice, cumin, salt and pepper, and the lemon and garlic we just did. And we're gonna cook it till the fava beans nice and soft. It's been simmering for 5 minutes. Let's check it out. Perfect, almost done. So all what we need here, we don't want to mash the fava beans. We want to smash some of them. And if the sauce is a little bit thick, you can add a little bit water to it. The final, oh lovely, look at this, perfect. Turn off, and our ful ready to go. And putting it in a traditional plate as well. Lovely, look at this. Of course, olive oil on top. Some diced tomatoes, little parsley in the middle, and there's so many ways that you can eat the ful. So let's start with the pita bread. You go like this, or if you're into vegetable, just a big chunk of a green pepper. Dig in. Or if you're an onion lover, and this is my favorite way to eat it. Oh boy, you gotta love onion to eat it this way. It tastes amazing, unbelievable flavor, especially with the fresh vegetables with it. So the Middle Eastern all-time favorite breakfast. All yours to enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.